Hello guys, there we have a Samsung dryer AIDV and welcome on cycle overview video. So the first cycle is a mixed load for mixed loads consisting of cotton and synthetics fabrics. The next cycle is delicate for items to be handled with care such as lingerie. The cycle iron dry. This cycle finishes the drying process in a moist state which facilitates ironing. The cycle for wool for machine washable and tumble dryable wool only. For the towels used to dry loads such as bath towels. The bedding for bulky items such as blankets, sheets, comforters and light duvets. Outdoor for outdoor wear such as ski-wear on and mountain clothing, and also for fabrics such as spandex, stretch and microfiber. The cotton cycle for lighty cottons, bed linen, table linen, underwear, towels and the shirts. The synthetics for lighty soiled blouses and shirts that are made from polyester. The hygiene care for sanitizing wet and dry clothes and linen fabric to eliminate bacteria. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.